Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire TV Cube easy guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Fire TV Cube and locate the included power adapter and HDMI cable. Connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI output on your Fire TV Cube. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the power adapter to the Fire TV Cube. Plug the power adapter into a nearby wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that corresponds to the Fire TV Cube. Once the Fire TV Cube is powered on, you will see the setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is available, then choose your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Click on Connect to join your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your Fire TV Cube will check for updates. Wait for the updates to install, which might take a few minutes. After the updates are complete, you will be prompted to sign in to your Amazon account. Enter your Amazon account credentials as prompted. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions to create a new one. After signing in, you may be offered to enable Alexa. Choose whether to enable it based on your preference. Next, your Fire TV Cube will guide you through the remote setup. Insert the provided batteries into the remote control. Press the home button on the remote to pair it with your Fire TV Cube. You may test the remote functionality by navigating through the menu. Once paired, you can explore the recommended apps on your home screen. Install and manage any additional apps you want from the Amazon App Store. Finally, set up parental controls if necessary through settings. Your Fire TV Cube is now ready for use. Enjoy streaming your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.